Hello everyone! Today we're making a delicious and creamy corn soup that's perfect for a cozy moment or as an appetizer. This recipe is simple yet incredibly tasty. Let's get started. 2 fresh sweet corn, kernels removed, or 200 grams of frozen corn, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 2 garlic cloves, finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 500 milliliters of milk, regular or low-fat, 300 milliliters of chicken or vegetable broth, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 100 milliliters of heavy cream. Prepare the corn. If using fresh corn, remove the kernels from the cob. If using frozen corn, let it thaw before using. Sauté the aromatics. Melt the butter in a pot over medium heat. Sauté the chopped onion and garlic until fragrant and softened. Add flour. Sprinkle the all-purpose flour into the pot. Stir quickly until it forms a smooth paste and turns light golden brown. Pour in liquids. Gradually pour in the milk while stirring constantly to avoid lumps. Then add the chicken or vegetable broth and stir until the mixture begins to thicken. Add the corn. Mix in the sweet corn kernels. Let it simmer on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes until the corn is tender and flavorful. Blend the soup. Optional. For a smoother texture, use a blender or hand blender to puree the soup. If you prefer a chunky texture, leave the corn kernels as they are. Season the soup, add salt, and adjust the seasoning to your taste. For extra creaminess, stir in the heavy cream and mix well. Serve. Ladle the corn soup into serving bowls. Garnish with chopped parsley for a fresh touch. Serve it warm with toasted bread or garlic bread. A creamy, flavorful corn soup that's super easy to make at home. This is perfect as a snack or appetizer for any occasion. Give this recipe a try and share your results in the comments below. See you in the next recipe.